My name is Imtiaz Rastugar. Uh, I have been a businessman all my life, literally started from my college. And during this period, I have traded with German SMEs for 40 years. And it was such a motivating experience that I built my own company into a global presence. We are exporting to more than 70 countries, and we have 500 people working with us. And it was a journey of learning for me, motivation, which then I have tried to put my thoughts together and my experiences and brought out this book for you to read, and how Germany became the world's largest exporter. And this book would be interesting if you are yourself an SME business person, or if you have a friend who is a talented SME business. Please go ahead, try this, and change the world for yourself. Thank you.